Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add buy now button on Shopify homepage. So first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser and then log into your Shopify account. Okay, and then once you're here, you will then just have to customize your store. Okay, so I'm currently using the Dawn theme, so I'm just going to click on customize. And then once you're here, make sure that you are on your home page. Okay, so right here, you'd be able to see this shop all option. So you just have to click on it. And then right here, for the first button label, what we're going to do is to change the text. So I am going to type out right here, buy now. Okay, and then if you'd like to add a second button label, so you can do that as well. Now for the first button link, I'm going to select the all products. Okay, and then after that, we're just going to save this one and let us try to preview this page. So let me just click on the save option at the top right and then click on the three that's right here and then just click on view. Okay, as you can see right here, we have now the buy now button. So when someone clicked on it, they'd be redirected to our products. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.